A ship moves along the equator to the east with velocity v0 equals 30 km per hour. The southeastern wind blows at an angle phi equals 60 degree to the equator with velocity v equals 15 km per hour. Find the wind velocity v prime relative to the ship and the angle phi prime between the equator and the wind direction in the reference frame fixed to the ship. So in this question, the velocity of ship and velocity of wind are given. The ship is moving along the equator towards the east direction as shown by the arrow in the figure, and the wind is blowing from southeast to northwest direction and it is making angle phi equals 60 degree to the equator. So in this question we are asked to obtain the relative velocity of wind with respect to ship. So using the formula of relative velocity, we can obtain the relative velocity of wind with respect to ship v prime equals velocity of wind minus velocity of ship. Velocity of wind is denoted by vector v and velocity of ship is denoted by vector v naught. So the relative velocity will be vector v minus vector v naught. Using the formula of vector addition, we can evaluate the subtraction of two vectors by considering the first vector to be minus vector v naught and second vector to be vector v, and they are making an angle phi from the first vector. So the modulus of the resultant vector v prime will be equal to square root of v square plus v naught square plus 2v v naught cos phi, which equals to 40 km per hour, and the angle that makes the resultant velocity with the equator is denoted by the phi prime. So using the formula of vector addition, the angle tan phi prime will be equal to v sin phi divided by v naught plus v cos phi, which equals to 15 root 3 divided by 2 divided by 30 plus 15 by 2, which simplifies to root 3 divided by 5. If we take the tan inverse of root 3 divided by 5, we will get the value of angle phi prime, which will be equal to 19.10 degree.